Okay. Hello and welcome to Workshop Studios, guys. So today's video is kind of a follow-on. Sometimes you see a piece of equipment get repaired, but let's look at it a year or two later and see how it's doing still. So today's project, it's a update, I guess, is on these two. Right here. All right, so here's the two that we're going to do an update on. This one right here, I'll put a link up there to it, this one right here. And then I will put a link to this one up here as well. These two mowers are old and have seen a lot of wear and tear, but they keep on going. And I'm going to show you how they do on a yard that's gotten a bit overgrown. You can already see the weeds here around the tires have grown up, and you can see how buried this one is. And that's just because we have rain here, and it's the right temperature for plants, and they want to grow. And that's fine, because we're going to use this to get them more manageable, both of those. So this guy, we do the ride-on mower for the big stuff, big areas, and really take care of most of it, because it's hot today. And then anything that's left over that's kind of out in the weeds, if you might, we use that little mower for. So, without further ado, let's get started, and I'll show you how these two things do in this. Oh, before I do that, let me show you the yard. So, may not be as clear from here, but it is. It's got a good layer of growth on it, and we're going to clean this all up. So I'll show you how that looks. Well, gas was low and the tire pressure was low, so we got those fixed. This one's all filled up with gas, so let's give it a try here. Gonna prime it first. I always over prime, if you think of it that way. That's why we call it the beater mower. We can get into the weeds with it. Get all kinds of stuff. Okay, time for this one now. Hopefully it's got a good battery. All right. Let's see if we got it here. Back. And we're good to go.
Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to my home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory.
Okay, well, you get the idea. It's mowing great. Here. And I could keep going and mowing great until I can't. I guess I gotta fix that tire before I can do any more mowing. Well, you know, there's always something, isn't there? All right, well, let's get to that. Well, what a mess. It's super muddy out there because it's been raining and raining and raining. And I think that's probably what happens. I was taking too sharp a turn and I peeled the tire right off the rim. So, got to be careful in this very wet, muddy thing not to put too much strain on the sidewall area. That's right along in here. Now, the problem is it's broken the bead, meaning it's pulled away from that edge. And I only have this little guy to pump it up, so I'm going to have to fiddle with it a bit here to get it to fill up with air again. Hopefully it goes right away. All right, it's back on. That was a major hassle, but no sharp turns. Important safety tip. Alrighty, back to it. So I lost the audio on this file. Sorry about that. But here I'm just showing you the yard after I got done mowing. It turned out really good, and the mower worked well once I got that tire fixed. And you can see up in there. Here's the front yard, and it was very thick and wet, so it really did a super job on that as well. It really keeps the labor down, so I'm not getting cooked in the summertime. That is a difficulty in this, in our weather at least, is that you get out and mow the lawn, especially in the middle of the summer, and you can go down in a heap if you're not careful. So here we go. We're just kind of working our way down the side of the yard, showing the mower was able to get all of that done. And we also used, there's a smaller mower that we used as well. That's right there. So we went ahead and, or I went ahead and did that around that tree and over in some of those areas, and it worked great. So that little mower is still going strong as well and doing a great job. So very happy with it. Yep, there we go. A thumbs up. And very happy with the devices. These pieces of equipment still working great, doing a wonderful job. So I would like to ask you to please like and subscribe if you like the video, and we'll catch you next time. Good luck with your projects, and see you later. Bye.